Hi guys, this is a quick one. I wanted to share this really nice experience I had a few days back. I received this call from the GM of a customer I used to deal with a while back when we were still involved in water and wastewater treatment systems and solutions. For the longest time I had a very healthy relationship with this GM and his team, and we have executed many projects together. So the other day I received this call from him and I hadn't heard from him for over a year, and he basically called to say that he wanted to meet me and that he wanted to discuss some things about one of the last projects that we had executed together. It was still ongoing and he had some clarifications. So this in itself isn't a big deal, but he made one statement towards the end of the call which I thought was really nice. He said that, Sebastian, I always tell my team that whenever they have a water or wastewater related clarification or doubt, they should feel free to call you, because you are the one person that I know will help and also is a phenomenal resource for water and wastewater. See, I didn't actually prompt him, I didn't coax him, I didn't give any suggestions or lead him to give that statement. In fact, he could have just said, Sebastian, I want to meet you, please make time available on Monday and come and meet me. But he made this statement, and this particular statement really got me thinking. Why do you think he asked, or why do you think he said it? Why do you think he said that I tell my team that you're the best resource for water and wastewater that we know, and they should call you when they had a doubt? Well, I think there could be two reasons. The first one, maybe they do genuinely feel that I'm a good resource for water and wastewater treatment and a subject matter expert, which by itself is a big compliment. But the second reason, which is probably more important, is that he probably felt, or he knew, that his team and he could depend on me to share my knowledge freely and work with them if they needed any kind of help in water and wastewater treatment. Remember, this is more than a year since I have spoken to this gentleman. So I think the reason that they feel this way, or he felt this way, is because over many years I have made it a point to share my knowledge completely freely. I wouldn't say that I am a expert per se on water and wastewater treatment, but I always tend to share my thoughts, my opinions, my knowledge about the subject whenever somebody asks me questions related to it. Many people feel that knowledge is power. I do agree that knowledge is power, but I feel that it's only power if you share it, and if you put in that effort to go out there and let people know that you are a resource that they can trust and they can call upon when they need help, then never know where that call is going to come from and who that call is going to come from. So let me leave you with this small little tip for the day. Maybe for a week or maybe a fortnight, why don't you go out there and share everything that you know about everything that you know about, or that you are considered to be a subject expert on, with your colleagues, with your vendors, with your customers, and see how it impacts your life. I think it will have a very positive and very strong impact. Do not worry about whether you're giving away too much. Trust me that the impact that you have and the relationships that you'll build by just being there when somebody needs you for the knowledge that you have is significantly more powerful than any of the knowledge that you have. So try this out and let me know how it went. All the best, and until the next video, have a great day.